Welcome to the Dreams Resort, Cancun Riviera Maya. Come on in. Cancun Mexico Rivera Maya. I think that's the right way of saying that. Come on in. So we saw, when we were looking at booking this unit, we saw a tour online, and I just felt like when I came in, even though the video I saw on YouTube and online was accurate, in some ways as far as the layout, I just felt like it did not adequately explain how incredible this unit is, so I wanted to do another one. I will tell you, if you look online right now, you can book this unit for I think it's $560 a night or $520 a night right now. We were able to get it for substantially less than that, and I'm gonna tell you a couple of ways that you can book this same exact unit if you want for a lot less than $500+ per night. But when you come in the door, first of all, when you come to the right, there's a closet. One of two closets, plenty of closet space in this unit. It's literally a walk-in closet. Ta-da! This is my wife's stuff. There's a closet in the bedroom. This is a good size, but she wanted the walk-in closet. She got it. All right, so let's keep going. Come on. So you come into the kitchen. By the way, complimentary champagne. We've gotten champagne, apples and grapes twice. I think once was just either our welcome or for being here in the master suite. I don't know which. Not sure if it was just everybody gets it on arrival, or if it was because we're in the master suite. Because there are additional perks for being in the master suite. The other bottle we got because we're celebrating. We told them our anniversary. They've got our honeymoon on the door. Whatever. They're like, "Are you guys celebrating anything?" "Well, my wife's pregnant. We're having a kid. I just had a birthday. It's our anniversary." We tell them we're celebrating everything. All those are true, by the way. All right, so you come in. Here's a table. And this is, again, it's really what I didn't understand when I was looking at this property was the size of everything. I mean, this is a good sized table. And the video that I saw online, the individual was just holding the camera, kind of walking around, but you can kind of get a feel for it. This is a 1,200 square foot unit, so it's enormous. The espresso coffee maker, the refrigerator, I mean, just everything's here. But I just wanted you to be able to see exactly what the size dimensions were. It's enormous. So then here's the living room area. We'll go to the bedroom here in a moment, but you see this whole thing opens up, and it feels enormous. So we have the living room area. The living room opens up onto the balcony. We'll go to the balcony here in a moment, but you can have an entrance right here in the living room. We hardly use this living room area, to be totally honest with you. Except we had a storm. I was sitting here yesterday. We had a storm last night. So you come into the bedroom, and this bedroom is enormous. You have a ridiculous view, 3 full windows going out. You've got the balcony out there that goes out. We'll go out to the balcony here in a minute. Then you've got these 2 windows here looking out the ocean, looking out at the pool area. Oh, and I'm going to give you some tips about the balcony. We'll get to that in a moment. And then you come here towards the bathroom. They have an incredible jetted tub. And that's just the tub. Then you have your double vanity, enormous bathroom. You have a shower. Let me see this clean. Okay. Shower is enormous. I'm back in here somewhere. It is enormous. Ta-da! It's enormous. I couldn't even touch the wall. It's huge. And then, come back this way. Oh, the other closets. I'm not going to open these up because all my junk's in there, but it's an enormous closet. Literally, this is all my wife and I probably needed. It's enormous. Then, of course, you have an incredible TV. I didn't point out the TV in the other rooms, but, like, do you really need a TV this big when the bed's right here? I guess so. For your dreams, it needs to be a big TV. By the way, the TVs speak a combination of English and Spanish subtitles in multiple combinations. You watch a TV show, it will be in English. You'll see Spanish subtitles. You watch a TV show, it's clearly in English. They'll be dubbed in Spanish. You'll see a TV speaking in English. They have the Spanish subtitles, and then the commercial will come on, and the commercial will be in Spanish. This is just like a hodgepodge mix-up. Just be prepared for that. It's normal. You're in Mexico. Okay, so let's go outside, check out the balcony. So it's a little bit overcast. They're calling for a little bit of rain tonight. We wanted to do the video. Let me get out of the wind. We want to do the video though because the sun is in the east, so the sun is super sunny, and it's kind of difficult to show the unit sometimes because of the glare coming through the window when you do a video. So we decided to do it today. We've had great weather the whole time we've been here, but they are expecting a storm tonight. Just so you know, if it rains, it typically rains really fast and then it's gone. That's the good thing about Cancun. So the balcony has a great tub here. I totally tested out. First night here, I think, the second night. And then this is an enormous balcony. I keep using that word enormous because that's the word that shocked me. Like when I got here for the unit, I just couldn't get over the size of everything. And then of course we have a full top table. 4 chairs. We'll just pan out here just so you can kind of look. This is the cabanas, the volley beds. There's a bar right down here. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see the top of it. Then there's, of course, more sun. There's more volley beds and stuff you can see on the other side of the palm trees. And then you can see the other side of the property, the pool, the bar. There's a swim-up bar. There's 2 pools over here. I think this property, let's step inside because I don't want the wind to affect the good audio. So there's several restaurants here. Of course, this is an all-inclusive resort. Let me just talk to you for a moment. A couple of things. There's some tips I want to give you if you're planning your trip here. First of all, it is an all-inclusive resort. Practically everything's included. You don't have to worry. The only thing you're going to pay for are spa services. You're going to pay for. You're going to pay for. Let's see. Oh, there's maybe some upgraded wines if you go to the restaurants or whatever. But there's no restaurants that are off premise to you or whatever, or off limits to you. Everything's included. The service here has been impeccable. Absolutely impeccable. Tipping's optional per the policy of the property. It's been great. I mean, the restaurants here are there's Portofino, there's Bordeaux. They're more of a fine dining type restaurant. There's grills here. There's just any number of options. This is a great place for the family. It's a great place for you and your spouse, or anyone who wants to have a good getaway, a great getaway. However you say that. Tip on the balconies. If you are booking a master suite, there's a presidential suite, governor suite, and a master suite. And then, of course, all your other rooms. If you're booking a master suite, then you want to try to be on it's the 2nd or the 3rd floor. And the reason being is, I don't know if you can notice this right here. Literally, this is the balcony above us. That's probably a master suite as well. And you still have another 5 feet of balcony. That's awesome. Plus, you get a little extra sun. Here's another tip that I'll point out to you. If you come over here and take a look at the other side, you may have to zoom in. If you take a look at the other side and you look at the top floor, let me see if I can get my finger in the camera. If you look at the top floor, notice that it's not covered, the top floor. Hang on a second, let me get the camera right. Notice the top floor, there you go. There, notice it's not covered. If you want to be in the sun, then you want to request to be on the 5th floor, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th floor. If you want a little bit of sun, you're facing the east. After about 11, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, the sun's going to cover your balcony. If you want a larger balcony, make sure you're on the 2nd or 3rd floor if you're booking a master suite. Also in the master suite, I didn't point out the mini bar. I'll go ahead and point that out. You're going to get maid service, you're going to get champagne service when they're bringing it around, and you're going to get mini bar service. The mini bar in the master suite comes with premium alcohols. Of course, your M&Ms and your Pringles. And we have predominantly Diet Cokes because we don't drink, but they'll have Diet Cokes, they'll have Coronas in there, sparkling water, orange juice, I think it's apple juice, and then your waters. And you can tell them exactly what you want. You can let them know, like, we told them, hey, you know what, take the Coronas out, put extra Diet Cokes in, or put regular Cokes in. They'll do whatever. There's Sprite, there's Fanta. When you show up, I think, yeah, it's Sprite and Fanta in it. But the service is impeccable here. It's phenomenal. You don't have to. A lot of times at all-inclusives, what you'll run into is they will end up doing like they'll give you kind of a limited selection. The premium alcohols are not like the Bacardi and the Johnny Walker. That's not included at other properties. I mean, at other rooms on the property. It's just going to be in your governor suite and your master suites. Now, how can you save money? First of all, book in the fall. This is September. There's a special fall savings on the website. Plus, there's a promotion just for master suites right now that's book 3 nights, get a 4th night free. That will get you down to, our 5-night stay went from being what was it, 2,600 down to about 2,100 for if you use the promotions. We have a travel package that we use. It's helped us save money on travel for years and years and years. That got us an additional $600 savings just using our travel package for this 5-night stay as well. But that's the Dreams Resort here in Cancun, Mexico. It's a phenomenal property. We will definitely be back, and I recommend that you come sometime soon. Take care.